Hi guys. So I'm here for this 3-week capacity building program at University of Kashmir. I am accompanied with my friend.
Hello, I'm
What's
Ambrish.
your? So we are here for this capacity building program related to this glaciology and this sort of things. And today was the inaugural session, and some lectures, presentations were given by the eminent personalities, including Professor Shakil Ahmed Ramshuji, who has very much expertise in the field of this glaciology, and he is also the vice chancellor of that IUST, and he's closely associated with this department of geoinformatics and Kashmir University. So I just departed from that vice chancellor's secretariat towards we were having that lunch, and you can have a glimpse of this beautiful university enriched with these trees, and yes, this was all for today's session. And after we will be having the lunch, we will be getting some other lectures as well that have been given on that schedule. So for the time being, you can have a look at the serene beauty of this university. So right now, okay, so most of probably you guys will be knowing about the temperature here at. So the temperature is around 27. You can see 27 average temperature 27 degrees centigrade Celsius, sorry. So not that cool, not that warm, but yeah, talking about the Jammu से थोड़ा कम है, like so I would be bringing up my close acquaintances with me as well. So hello brother, you want to come inside towards my vlogs? No? So he's kind of feel shy, or he doesn't want to come, but yeah, you can see these are this is a beautiful landscape of this this Kashmir University. So मेरे से Jammu University निकल रहा है, but for the time now I'm not in the Jammu University for the 2 to 3 weeks. So you can see few of my friends are few of my friends are standing behind me, and just waiting for the lunch. And so I will be bringing them up in my vlogs, but for the close time, you can see these trees. Yeah, what else I can say? So I want to add something to this blog, as we will be going towards the glacial expedition as well. So for the glacial expedition, I will be going towards this Machoi Glacier, and will be closely making some videos for you, how glacier is and how the glacier and what are the processes, and I will be telling you about the snout of that glaciers. From the snout towards, we will be going up towards this up towards that accumulation zone, and from the accumulation zone up to that equilibrium line, we will be using different type of instruments. What type of instruments? Various type of we will be using GPR and TLS, and ice coring will be there, and yeah, a lot of things. And you know, a lot of extraordinary things we will be doing there. And if my friends will be interested to come into my blogs, we will be bringing them up in the next vlogs. Yeah, so you can see there is some building. I don't know what that building is about, but yeah, so some buildings are there as well, you can see. Yeah, so I don't know what type of these buildings, but I'm pretty new to these. But yeah, it is enough for today. So the guest house is around, it will take 1 to 2 minutes, and we will be showing you. No, sorry, I can't go beyond the permissible limits. So some it quietly remind me of my Jammu University. You can see the peoples are sitting below these shady trees, enjoying their lunches during the breaks. And it's Monday, and the quite many of the departments are still functional. So one of the department, like Department of Geoinformatics, is not, they are hosting organizer are hosting this capacity building program. And yeah, you can see the routine of this towards my, this is left side, this is Department of Management Studies, the business school of this Jammu University. And here it is the Department of Management Studies. So you guys can have a glimpse of this Kashmir University. Yeah, the students are roaming around, and few of students have finished their lectures. And yeah, there are more departments as well. I don't know, this Naseem Bagh campus, something has written over there. Yeah, this is so in front of my department, let me talk about this Jammu University. So Department of Remote Sensing and Department of that Environment Sciences. So closely in front of my department there is Department of Home Science. But for the Kashmir University, you can see the towards my left side, you can see that that is Department of Home Science. So for the law school, hi guys, from the law school, University of Jammu. Here is the School of Law in the Kashmir University. You can see here this way towards law school. So in the close ambience there is post office as well, Kashmir University Dak. So you can have a look at it as well. So this is the, so in the close ambience there is a Directorate of Distance Education. You can see the 3 to 4 floor building in Jammu University. So we have that the Directorate of Distance Education. But in the Kashmir University, you can see, so in the frame you can see the Directorate of Distance Education. This whole building belongs to that distance education. So from these departments I'm heading towards for the lunch session. Yeah, I haven't reached because I am slowly making vlogs, vlog sort of things. My friends have almost departed, and they have made a close distance towards. So yeah, sort of things. So you can this mesmerizing and wonderful beauty of this. You can see the chinar trees, or you're lushing around in this greenery of this. You can see, I don't know if you will be able to see this, but this tree is looking so much, you know, pleasant. Yeah, see, you can see that. Yeah, and this, you know, the girth of these trees is so big. You can see the girth, like it's almost, the girth is all the diameter of this. You can see the diameter of this tree is almost 5 feet. 5 feet diameter. You can see almost more than the length of, oh, sorry, almost my height. So it's closely around 5 feet, 5 feet length. Yeah. So few of departments are being, you know, constructed over here. So there is a under construction building. I don't know what this building is about. So I think maybe another department will be, you know, building up over here. So yeah, you can enjoy these trees, you know. The beauty of this Kashmir is, you know, all lying up with these, you know, dynamic trees, and the climate, you know, climate is so cool over here. Morning or evening में थोड़ी ठंड हो जाती है, but yeah, quite amazing. So you know, the top of these, you know, buildings is, you know, associated with this conical, like there is a cone, because, you know, the when you can see, let me show you. I don't know if you will be able to see that or not in the frame, but yeah, these buildings are, you know, like slanting, slopey. So because the flow of the snowfall can, you know, it is made because snow can leave the roof at the very instant. So that was for the vlog of today. Let me show you a glimpse of that, the guest house where we are having our lunch. So let me show you the guest house where we will be having, yeah, you can, in the frame you can see this is the place where we will be having our meals. And in the meantime, see you in the another vlog if the people will. Okay, so you can see the boat here, guest house. So anyone interested to come to my vlogs? No, they are not interested right now, but yeah, sooner or later they will be interested in joining us. Okay,
Okay, bye.
see you in the. So these are some of my friends, they will be interested. Hi guys, हेलो ब्रदर, क्या हाल चाल है?
बस चल रहा है।
आप कहाँ से हो?
कोलकाता से हूँ मैं।
ये देखो कोलकाता के भाई साहब हमें मिले हुए हैं यहाँ पे, है ना? तो यू विल बी
सब्सक्राइब करना, इसे सब्सक्राइब करना, अच्छा बन रहा है, ठीक है। पूरा दिन फ्रस्ट्रेटेड होने के बाद इसका वीडियो देखोगे, फ्रस्ट्रेशन दूर हो जाएगा।
So quite a few friends you will also meet in my upcoming vlogs. But yeah, this vlog was supposed to be like 5 minutes, and it almost have gone up to 14 minutes. So here our guest house has arrived. See you in the next vlog. Bye.